I'm Haley, founder of Beluga Baby, and today I'm here to show you how to use your new Beluga Buckle, which is the perfect next step carrier for babies 15 to 50 pounds. So the first thing you do is you adjust the seat width to support your baby all the way from one knee to the other. Because our shoulder panels adjust in two different directions, I like to tighten one direction all the way. Of course, this will depend on your body type and your baby, but when I am wearing my baby on the front, I like to tighten it all the way tight in between the shoulder panel and the buckle. Now that that's done, you want to put the waistband, which is this sort of stiff foam section, against your body. So I like to put it like kind of at my belly button. All of our buckles are double release, so you have to push this button in and push these sides in at the same time in order for it to come off. So once you've got your baby, you want to place their bum right up against the top of the waistband. Bring up the body of the carrier and bring the shoulder panels over your shoulder. So then you want to do up your back strap here. And when I'm tightening, I like to lift up baby's bum a little bit, reach under my arm here, and remove all the slack from the carrier. We've also got these little perfect fit adjusters. So I'm pretty tall, so I don't need to use those, but if you're on the petite or shorter side, those can be a really helpful adjustment to get a really comfortable carry for you and your baby. So when you're wearing your baby, you always want to make sure you're wearing them safely. And a good way to remember, a good acronym to remember if you're wearing them safely is TICS. So that stands for T, tight. That's when I tightened my carrier. I stands for in view at all times. You always want to make sure that you can see their faces. C stands for close enough to kiss. So without straining your neck too much, you want to be able to reach down and kiss the tops of their heads. K stands for keep chin off chest. So you want to make sure your baby is never like hunched over in the carrier like this. And S stands for supported back, which you can see her back is really nicely supported and gently curving away from me. So as long as you're following TICS, you can be confident that your baby is in the carrier safely. And that is how to use the Beluga Buckle.